This is the most important part, so let's get right to it. First, this is not a pedal assist e-bike. This is an electric off-road motorcycle. There are no pedals. The 12.5 kilowatt peak power motor is an absolute revelation. In sport mode, the 440 newton meters of torque at the rear wheel are instant, and the front wheel wants to lift with just a twist of the throttle. But unlike a twitchy two-stroke, the power delivery is incredibly predictable. This is the magic of a good electric drive. The throttle response is so precise that you can dial in the exact amount of power you need for a technical climb, making tricky sections feel almost like cheating. Eco mode is for limping home, and daily mode is perfect for 90% of trail riding, offering a great balance of power and range. Now about that range. Surron claims 140 kilometers, or 87 miles. In the real world, that's not happening. What I found was that I could get about 40 to 50 miles of hard, aggressive trail riding on a single charge. This included steep climbs, fast sections, and technical rock gardens. Honestly, that was more than enough. My body was ready for a break before the battery was. But the real magic is how it handles. That 187-pound weight, which sounds heavy, feels incredibly light and flickable once you're moving. It carries its weight so low that you can tip it into corners with the confidence of a mountain bike, but it has the stability of a dirt bike on fast, rough sections.